Harbor Freight Predator generator. Got the head off. Needs to be cleaned up. Valve set. The connecting rod is no more. Pack rat crap. Looks like an oil slinger might be built in. Might be able just to get the new connecting rod if I can get the piston off the pin. Getting ready to try that, see if I can fix it. The crankshaft has a bunch of aluminum on. I got to get that cleaned up, and I'm not taking the generator head off. Not today. But this one is blown up completely. Harbor Freight generator inverter Predator.